guys, I'm Jesse. I'm the founder and CEO of the Avid Group.
Hey guys, my name is Taryn. We're from TNT Printhouse.
Hey, there's Alex from InPrint in Montreal.
Hi, I'm Taylor Gerber. I work at PK Sportswear in Elmira.
Matt Morrissey, I'm with Staygold Custom in Prince Edward Island.
Hi, I'm Shelly. I'm from Hometown Prints in Prince George, British Columbia.
We're here at the Screen Printing Conference, hosted by RB Digital and Avid Apparel, Principal, and a whole bunch of other sponsors.
And this weekend has been awesome, super informative.
We had a great time at the show here, learned a lot, met all these cool suppliers and other shop owners, so I definitely recommend going to the next one.
Our shop's pretty new to doing custom screen printing, and the weekend's been amazing. Learned a ton, and Zach and the whole team at RB Digital have been amazing.
This has been the greatest conference to come to actually learn, to see if you want to step into this industry.
And I've learned quite a bit. I've solved some problems that I was having and ready to go.
Very, very helpful. I'm very glad that this training camp happened. It's pretty amazing.
And the community feel, like meeting a bunch of people that all are into the same shit. It's cool.
So when they do this again, definitely sign up because these tickets go out fast. Hey guys, thank you.